Hello, I'm Roms. Welcome to my video tutorial on how to protect, secure, or change your website login URL by the use of WPS Hide login. So if you go to any websitedesign.com or in your website, any websitedesign.com/wp-login.php, it is the normal login of any WordPress website. But if you go to yukiscoffee.com/enter, it is the modified login of the website. So first to do, we will install this WPS Hide login. So we will log into our website. Uninstall this plugin. We will go to our plugin, add the WPS Hide login, search WPS Hide login, here install, activate. So after, we will find the settings and change this URL or any word that you want. So I will use open, save. So we will log out to test. Okay. So if I will use WP login.php, okay, it makes me error. But if I will use the modified word or URL, open, we will go to the right login area. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my bottom to the upcoming videos. Thanks.